What is up, you guys? It's me again, back at it again with another video. And in today's video, I have some sad news. I really wanted to install this Auxbeam switch panel. Well, I did install it. Let me show you. Alright, so like I said, here I have the Auxbeam switch panel. It's a 6-gang switch panel connected. I kind of wired this up myself. As you can see, my battery is over there. So I have a power wire running all the way over here. And I put it into an island little thing right here. I was gonna make a whole video on this, showing you guys like the process and what I needed and what materials. I ran the power wire through. This is grounded and stuff, but as you can see, I ordered a replacement and didn't work. Well, I mean, it does work, but the issue that I am having is, let me plug this in and let me show you. So I have this wired up to my daytime running lights, which is a keyed on accessory. So here we go. You guys hear that whine? I don't like that. That's not supposed to, doesn't sound good. I have it all tapped in here. It's all wired perfectly fine. As you can see, I already had it mounted. I had this phone mount and stuff. And also, when I click, it just turns off and then comes back on. The on button doesn't even work. That's the old one. This is the new, supposed to be replacement and stuff. But that's not normal. That's not normal at all. So unfortunately, I'm not gonna be able to install this product, and this product gets a thumbs down for my review. It's just kind of a bummer that I spent so much time getting all the parts and accessories for it not to work. After all this time I spent and headache, that I can't even freaking enjoy this. So I'll be returning it. And yeah, I mean, if you get, I wouldn't recommend this, honestly. It's just been a headache. The Auxbeam 6-gang switch panel. I know a lot of people have had this issue as well, so kind of do your own research. And the cool thing about Amazon is that last night I just called them. I told them this thing was broken. They sent me a new one, and today is the next day. So really quick, I installed it. I even put like lock nuts and all the good stuff on it, but it's just not working. So I will be returning this product. And yeah, I do have some pod lights in the mail, which that's why I wanted that, but those come in Saturday. Hopefully I could do an install video. And I think I'm gonna keep this positive thing over here, just an extension, just for future things. Maybe I'll switch up a rock light or a rock panel and then run it through again. But unfortunately, this is a thumbs down for this product. And yeah, hopefully this is kind of informative and it's not all positive like others on YouTube make it seem. So unless maybe Auxbeam reaches out to me and tries to give me a product that actually works, then I will be more than happy to install it. But for now, I mean, it's a fail. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I will catch you guys in the next video. I'm not making this video to bash on Auxbeam. This is not a video. It's just to inform you guys that there are 2 faulty products. There are many more on forums and stuff that haven't had this luck and stuff. So, and I also may be completely wrong, but that whining sound, I do not like it. It's just super annoying. It's not cool. But yeah, I will be taking this product off and shipping it back, getting my money back. So unfortunately, thank you guys, and fortunately, thank you guys for watching and sticking around to the end. Hopefully I could wire up a rocker panel or something just to kind of put over here, right here, something cool, because I am getting the light pods in this weekend. So yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys in the next video.